Hello everyone. Today's topic is unity is strength. First point is unity refers to being together for people in their thoughts, feelings and reactions. Unity is very important for any team or group. When divided, individuals cannot achieve what they had hoped for. Fourth point, unity means oneness or togetherness. Fifth point is people in unity share the same feeling and sympathy for each other. Sixth point is people in unity suffer less stress as they solve problems together. Seventh point is unity at national level helps in developing the nation at its best. Eighth point is the strength of unity puts a great impact on development of the nation. Ninth point is united we rise and divided we fall. Tenth point is togetherness or unity makes things easy. Thank you for watching my video. For such more videos, please like, comment and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for the notification. Bye bye. Happy learning.